Hello, dear viewers, and welcome back to another session. And in this session, we are going to take an example to understand the minimization and realization of this particular Boolean expression using only NAND gates. So, what the example says, let's begin. The example says, make a K map for the given function. The function is given to you, y is equal to AB plus AC bar plus C plus AD plus A P bar C D. We have to minimize it and then realize the minimized equation using NAND gates only. So let's begin. We'll see how to do that. The steps which we are going to take will be the same steps as we have taken in the previous examples. So what are the steps? Beginning with, we will see the previous function which we have already understood, that while we make the groups in SOP form, we have to make the groups taking in mind that if we are making a group of two ones, one variable becomes less. If we are making a group of four ones, two variables will become less. If we are making a group of 8 ones, 3 variables will become less. And similarly, if we are making a group of 16 ones, 4 variables will become less. So what happens according to this? Whatever grouping which we are going to do, since we can see this is a 16 cell K map, so we will begin from 16. We will see if there is any group of 16 or not first. Then we will proceed to 8, then 4, then 2. And if finally this series is not done, then we will see if one group of ones is there or not. So first we have to fill up the K map. So according to the expression given to us, we will start filling the K map. So what was our expression we can see here? The expression was y is equal to AB. First term is AB. So how we are going to fill it up? First we will find out the particular column of MSB. As we know that we have written MSB here and LSB here, and whatever we are going to read, we will read it in this direction from MSB to LSB, right? So the first term is AB. So we can see where is AB column? This column. See, this column is AB. So simple, just write down the block having this AB into ones. Now A and B is there, you can see. So AB is a group of this particular column. So how we are going to write the particular variables in this? We need to see this, that in AB nothing is given common for the LSB. That means what? It is a group of 4 ones, and group of 4 ones means nothing will be common on the LSB side. So we have to full entire this row AB as ones, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So this is our first term. Next term we can see what it is, AC bar. Now A is from the MSB side and C bar from the LSB side. So first we need to find out where is A common in the MSB side. A is common in this term and this term. That means we will have ones in these two columns. And again, since it is 2 variables only, means the number of less variables is 2, only 2 variables are there. That means it is a group of again 4 ones. So the second term in LSB is C bar. Where is C bar common, viewers? Here, C bar and this C bar. That means we will have we have to map particular ones, 4 ones in the column having A common and in the rows having C bar common. That means what it comes into, if you see here and here and here and this one. So if we map it, we will find we have these 4 ones. See, like this, this, again this and this. This way, this way, this way, this way, right? That means this comes to, again I will show you, A and C bar, this one. Then A, again we have A and C bar, this one, right? So this block is 1. So I have got 2 ones here. Next I will see again A and C bar, A, C bar, this one, and remaining one last A and C bar, this one, right? So that is why here I get a group of 4 ones. So what I have written till now, these 4 ones I have completed, these 4 ones you can see, this was done previously, and now these 4 ones, right? Next we will see that the next variable is what? C. Now C means what? C is alone. That means 3 variables are less here. So C means alone, that means 3 variables are less. So it is a group of how many ones? 8 ones. So just find out the particular column where C is common. Column will not be there because C is the LSB side. So we have to find out the rows with 8 particular blocks where C is common. So C is common where? In these 2 rows. So simply fill ones in these 2 rows. Done. So this is how we have a group of 8 ones. So how many groups made till now? 3 groups. 1, this one, and this one. Okay. We are done, but we have more terms in the particular equation given to us. Next is AD. Again, A is from MSB, D is from LSB. So find out where A is there. Where is A? A is in this column and D is in these columns. That means which we are getting common? We are getting these 4 common, right? So simply write down 1 in these 4 blocks. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This was already priorly also filled, so we will keep it as it is, right? Last term is A, B bar and C, D. Here we are having all 4 variables. That means what? Or no variable is less here. So we will see where it is. A, B bar. A, B bar means which line is there? This one, right? This one. And C, D is this one. We have only one block which is having this particular number, that is this. Okay, the intersection point is this. Just fill it with 1. So this becomes 1 here. So now we have this K-map ready with us. We have followed these 4 points. You can read it. These 4 for the 4 terms. Now we'll see about the grouping. Grouping, I told you, will be taking place in this direction. First 16 groups if it is possible or not, or a group of 8 if it is possible or not, then a group of 4 if possible or not, and finally a group of 2 is possible or not, right? So we'll proceed. If you see in the diagram, then you can see that this particular diagram is having ones in a group of 8. This is one group and this is another group, right? So I have 2 groups here. So can I do anything with these 2 groups? Yes, obviously I can do it. I can group these 2 in the form of 2 groups, and I will write the function as for this particular group and this particular group. This I have made is group 1 and this group is group 2. So this 1 and 2 I have written here. F is equal to 1 plus 2. That is group number 1 plus group number 2. Now talking about this group, what is common here? A is common here. So I'll pick A from this group, right? Then talking about this group, what is common here? C is common. So from this group I will pick up C. So what is the function that I have? I can write 1 plus 2 as A plus C. So I have written this 1 plus 2 as A plus C. This is my minimized equation. Why I am calling it minimized equation? See, the equation was so big and now I have minimized it to only A plus C. So first part is done to minimize it. Next part is to realize this A plus C using only NAND gate. So NAND gate, we know what is a NAND gate. For realizing it using a NAND gate, what we need to do is we need to double complement on both the sides. So only this equation, equation number A, what we are going to do is we are double complementing it on both the sides. Then using De Morgan's theorem, if we this complement it on both the sides, what will happen? If we complement it on both the sides, this particular positive plus sign will be removed and replaced by a dot. As there is double bar there, so we'll make it single bar A, single bar C, and one bar is again there. So the new equation is this by using De Morgan's theorem. A bar plus becomes dot, C bar and whole bar, right? So now I need to replace this with a logic diagram and see whether it is satisfying it or not. So for making A to A bar, I need an AND gate. So I have put a NAND gate here to make A as A bar. Then I'll use a second NAND gate to realize the C bar. So the second NAND gate is put over here, making C to C bar. C is C bar now. Now what I need to do? I have a dot in between them. Dot means multiply. And for multiplication, which gate we use? We use a AND gate. So simply these two functions A bar and C bar will be combined with this AND gate. But you can see ANDing is also there and a bar is also there. So again I am realizing this with a new NAND gate. So ANDing could have been done, but this bar on this will be done by using another NAND gate. So how many NAND gates I have? I have here A to A bar one NAND gate, C to C bar second NAND gate, and then again A and C, A bar and C bar if I am ANDing and again having a complement of that, again one more NAND gate. So we have 3 NAND gates over here. These are all NAND gates. So finally I get at the output, again if I simplify it using De Morgan's theorem, this bar dot will become a plus, and individual what will happen, this A bar bar will have A double bar, dot becomes plus and C double bar. Further simplifying, double complement of any particular input or variable gives us the same variable. So we get this equation which we are calling as the minimized equation, y is equal to A plus C. This is our minimized equation. So hope through this particular problem you are able to do the minimization and its realization using only NAND gates, and this problem was in SOP form. So study well, stay well, and be tuned for the next video, upcoming video on another topics. Thank you.